Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My Islamic brothers and my Islamic sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Muhammad Saklan and welcome back to our Alham Network channel. Viewers, this channel is dedicated to Islamic videos and I am honored to have you all join me inshallah. Before watching this video, viewers, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Dear viewers, today inshallah we will discuss about another beautiful grand series, a dua away. And inshallah I will tell you about, is there a dua to get rich? Dear viewers, is that even something you should be asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for? I remember a young man coming up to me and asking me this very question. Can I just make duas for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make me a millionaire, to make me rich? And we look through the duas of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We actually do find that he did make dua for Hazrat Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. And in that dua, O Allah, give him a lot of money. But the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam know that Hazrat Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu with a lot of money is a good thing for the world. That Hazrat Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is not going to be corrupted by that money. That Hazrat Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is going to use that wealth to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And so when you look through the body of duas from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is regard to wealth. It's just like a lot of the other things that we are taught to ask for. Sometimes it's not about what you have, it's about how you perceive it. Now ponder upon this narration from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam where he says that verily he has succeeded who has embraced Islam and then has been given just enough of this world, and then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made him content with what he has given him. There's some things beautifully profound about this, that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala not to be rich, but for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give him enough and then to grant him blessing in what he has given him. You see, when you are approaching Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, don't ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to feed an unhealthy addictions. Some of us are addicted to wealth. Instead, ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give you more so long as it is good for you and to bless you with what he has already given to you. You find most of the ahadith of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that surround this nation of wealth to be about purifying that wealth. So, O Allah, sustain me with halal and protect me from haram. Ameen. Dear viewers, or O Allah, protect me from ad-dain, protect me from debts, because debts can be put us on all sorts of compromising situations. Or O Allah, give me so that I can give, because the one who wants so that he can give is a person that seeks to be a blessing in the world, not just one who hopes to consume more and more blessing in this life. And I wanna give you this beautiful hadith from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. O Allah, make me content with what you have given to me. Literally is to convince me, let me be content. So viewers, let me see what I have as a lot and then put barakah, put blessing in that which you have given to me. And if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala puts blessing in a little, then it is so much more, and so asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, let you see it as a lot and then to actually make it a lot through barakah. And then the last part of this dua, and let everything that I have missed out on be replaced with something that is better. Always think that we are missing at on same sort of opportunity, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is putting something ahead of us that actually better for us, so long as we respond with that which is good. So dear brothers and dear sisters, we are going to be looking at the way that dua changes destiny and the way that dua of the Prophet ﷺ speak to that desired change, because it is not always about the change of circumstances. Sometimes it's about the change of perspective. And when we look at the du'as of the Prophet ﷺ in these very specific areas of our lives, then we start to realize that the Prophet ﷺ is not just revolutions, the way that we call upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And when we view Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala differently, we view ourselves differently, and we view the world around us differently as well. So join us biiznillahi ta'ala all 10 days. So dear viewers, join us biiznillahi ta'ala all 10 days as we go through the relationship between dua and destiny, and the way the Prophet ﷺ taught us to call upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in relation to the change that we seek in life, and more importantly, what we seek in the afterlife. So viewers, here is our today video. I hope that you have liked today's video. May Allah gives us the ability to understand the religion of Islam and follow it. Thank you so much for your watching. Keep supporting and stay connected with us for more Islamic videos.